Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vyas and I'm a senior researcher at the LNMIIT, Jaipur. My pitch is going to be about additive manufacturing. So, do you wear glasses? Or have you ever been to a shop that sells one of these? Well, then you do know how painful it is to go through hundreds of pairs of frames, and then when you've selected one, wait for another 1 or 2 days just to get those lenses popped in. But what if I tell you that you need to go through the same door, get your own customized frame suited just for you, and then go have lunch and come back to find your own shining pair ready on the desk? Voila! Well, now it's possible, and all thanks to additive manufacturing. Now, it's possible to make the lenses on the spot and even the frames of your custom size instead of cutting out the lenses of the pre-made slabs of particular glass index. This increases the efficiency and also reduces the cost of keeping a lot of inventory of pre-made frames. Currently, about 52 million pieces of glasses are sold in US alone, and the eyeglass market is worth $100 billion per year. So the opportunities are really huge. I've been working in this field for the past 2 years, and if you're interested to know more, I would love to tell you more in the next week or two. So would that work out for you? Well, fine. Thank you so much.